Well, today I want to share with you a product that I'm really enjoying. This is a tree grafting kit. Includes a lot of different things. So let's just, we'll start off with a couple of the smaller items. And I'll kind of show you what this is used for. This is grafting tape. And, and then you have also some very nice, I forget. I mean, it's essentially grafting tape as well. But, once you put the two grafts together, you'll wrap this around. But another real nice little bonus here, it comes with a grafting knife. 2-blade knife. Very, both of them are very sharp. And this can be used to graft trees and branches. So, right. So the grafting tool itself. So what you do, you'll slide this button and that opens the tool. So right here is going to be just a snipper. And I'll show you, it's good for small diameter. If you're getting to be this is probably a little bit too thick, but really a nice little snipper for the small stuff. So that's one part. But the big, kind of the interesting thing is how the grafting tool works. There are 3 different plates that come with this tool. And the one that's in there now, well, I'll graft a branch for us, and I would call that, it's kind of a omega shape is probably a good word for it. But then there's also a V-shaped and a U-shaped blade. And as you can see, there is a screwdriver and a wrench. And this is what's used to change the blade out. The blade just sits right in here. So you'll take your screwdriver, loosen this up, and then you'll actually take it out, and then the blade will slide right out. But let me just show you. Comes with some plant tags, which are always great. So after you're done grafting a tree, you can just label what kind of a tree it is, and then put that around the tree. So lots of different colors as well. Always nice. But let me show you how this works. So let's say this is an apple tree and it's planted. You want to put a different type of apple tree on it. So with this tool, what you can do is this makes cuts where we'll put that in and we'll just do and what it does is it cuts this perfect groove, and then this other piece is like the opposite. So as you can see, they just slide right in with each other. Whoop, other way, this way. Let me do another one. So what you do is you simply place the branch right in there, and then we're just going to squeeze down. And as you can see, it cuts a nice U, and then the other piece is just like that. And then those fit right together as such, and then you take the tape and then you'll wrap that around and you'll let that, stay for, several months, and then you'll remove that. And so essentially what you're doing is you're taking, this is, let's say a gala apple, and you want to put a, Honeycrisp on it. So you cut this branch this way, this one this way, and then they just slide right together. So let's just do one more. Again, you just place it. I'll just snip this off. Start with a nice clean cut. So we'll just place the branch in there as such, as you can see, and then we'll just come down on it. Oh, I cut it a little bit shy, but this tool really makes easy work, and your cuts are always perfect. So great kit for the beginner. And I like that, like I said, that was the Omega blade, and that was the one that came with the tool installed. But again, you just unscrew this, pull out the blade, and then put the other ones in it. But really a fun tool to experiment with. Hopefully we can grow some good apples.